The frequency of WealthProgram, also known as wealth frequency, Attract Abundance with Binaural Beats, is a personal development and mindset enhancement program designed to help individuals tap into frequencies that are believed to align their mind and energy with abundance, wealth, and prosperity. By using binaural beats, specific sound frequencies that can influence brainwave patterns, the program aims to shift your mindset to attract more financial abundance and success. What are binaural beats? Binaural beats are an auditory illusion created when two tones of slightly different frequencies are played in each ear. The brain processes these two frequencies and perceives a single, new frequency, known as the binaural beat. This beat is thought to influence brainwave patterns and alter states of consciousness, helping to induce relaxation, focus, creativity, and, in this case, a wealth-attracting mindset. How the wealth frequency program works. 1. Binaural beats for attracting wealth. Brainwave entrainment. The program uses specific binaural beats to help entrain the brain into particular states conducive to wealth and success, typically alpha, theta, and even gamma states. These brainwave states are associated with increased creativity, heightened awareness, relaxation, and subconscious programming, which can help rewire limiting beliefs around money. Positive affirmations. Many wealth frequency programs pair binaural beats with positive affirmations related to wealth, success, and abundance. These affirmations, repeated while in a relaxed, meditative state, help to reprogram your subconscious mind to attract financial opportunities and remove negative money blocks. 2. Shifting your wealth mindset. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Binaural beats in the wealth frequency program are designed to help dissolve deep-seated limiting beliefs about money that might be holding you back, such as money is hard to come by or I don't deserve wealth. By shifting these beliefs, you can become more open to abundance. Subconscious reprogramming. By relaxing the mind and guiding it into specific brainwave states, the program facilitates deeper subconscious programming. In this state, your mind becomes more receptive to new thought patterns and beliefs about wealth, helping you to align with opportunities for financial growth. 3. Creating a wealth magnetism. Vibration of abundance. The principle behind the wealth frequency program is that everything in the universe operates at a frequency, including thoughts and emotions. By using binaural beats tuned to frequencies associated with abundance, the program aims to help you tune your vibration to match that of wealth and financial success. Law of attraction. The program is often tied to the law of attraction, which suggests that what you focus on, you attract. By using the binaural beats and affirmations to focus on abundance, you theoretically increase your capacity to attract wealth into your life. 4. Benefits of using wealth frequency binaural beats. Enhanced creativity. The brainwave states induced by the binaural beats, like alpha or theta, are linked to increased creativity and problem-solving, which can help you identify new financial opportunities or innovative ways to approach money management. Increased focus and motivation. By regularly listening to the wealth frequency binaural beats, many users report feeling more focused, motivated, and aligned with their financial goals. Stress reduction. Money-related stress is a common block to financial success. The program often helps reduce stress and anxiety, enabling you to think more clearly about your financial situation and make better decisions. Improved confidence around money. By shifting your mental state, the program can help build confidence in your ability to attract wealth, negotiate financial opportunities, or invest wisely. 5. Practical steps combined with mindset work. Visualization techniques. Many wealth frequency programs encourage you to pair binaural beats with visualization exercises, where you imagine yourself achieving financial success or living the life of abundance you desire. Goal setting and manifestation. By combining the mental relaxation and reprogramming from binaural beats with goal-setting exercises, you can create a practical pathway for manifesting wealth in your life. Typical session structure. Listening time. You usually listen to the binaural beats for 15 to 30 minutes per session. It's recommended to use headphones, as binaural beats require separate frequencies to be played in each ear for maximum effect. Relaxation environment. The best results come when listening in a calm, distraction-free environment. You can lie down or sit comfortably, allowing the beats and affirmations to penetrate your subconscious. Consistency. Like most mindset-shifting tools, consistent use of the program is crucial. Daily or regular listening is recommended to reinforce positive beliefs and achieve lasting results. Who can benefit from the Wealth Frequency Program? 1. Entrepreneurs and business owners. If you are building a business or working as an entrepreneur, this program can help clear mental blocks around success, boost creativity, and attract new financial opportunities. 2. Individuals with financial struggles. If you have long-standing difficulties with money or are struggling to shift into a wealth mindset, binaural beats combined with affirmations may help reprogram negative beliefs and create new avenues for financial flow. 3. Anyone seeking a wealth mindset. For those who want to cultivate a wealth mindset, aligning with the principles of abundance, and developing a positive relationship with money, this program offers a guided, step-by-step approach. Why choose the Wealth Frequency Program? Non-invasive and easy to use, binaural beats are simple to use, requiring just a pair of headphones and a listening device. You can use the program while relaxing, meditating, or even while working, depending on the session's intensity. Scientific backing. While the concept of wealth frequency aligns with metaphysical ideas, binaural beats themselves are grounded in neuroscience. They have been shown to help improve mental states, focus, relaxation, and even cognitive function, making them a powerful tool for personal development. Accessible anytime, you can listen to the program at any time of the day, making it easy to integrate into your routine. Many people find it effective to use in the morning to set a positive tone for the day or in the evening to wind down while programming the subconscious. Conclusion. The Frequency of Wealth program combines the power of binaural beats with affirmations and mindset training to help shift your consciousness towards wealth and abundance. By aligning your brainwaves with frequencies of success, dissolving limiting beliefs, and reprogramming your subconscious mind, you can attract financial opportunities and open yourself to a more prosperous life. Whether you're looking to overcome financial challenges or simply enhance your ability to attract wealth, this program offers an easy and scientifically supported way to boost your mindset and energy. Link below. Check description. The products link is in the description box if you want to purchase the products. Thanks for watching.